Okay, today is moving day. It's finally finished. Did make a few different changes. I took off and refixed the framework here. Okay, good spray, make it a little bit prettier. Put a bit of vinyl on the seat just to help it. I just contact glued that on there. It's not great, but it should do the job for a while. Load up on the trailer. And get taken out to the land now. I think the seat goes. It's like a two-tony kind of thing, like a pair of old school tap shoes or whatever. It's not bad. And I put the chain guard back on. Wasn't very hard, just like 3 or 4 bolts. And I did clean and spray the bottom half with fish oil just because it takes the most hammering. It had a lot of stuff inside of it, so I just want to make sure it wasn't going to rust through. And yeah, it's looking nice and pretty. Oh, another thing I did is I reattached that bark buster there, and I just gave the whole thing a nice paint and clear coat. So that lot there, plus the back carrier rail here. Off to the farm it goes. Job's a good one. Handles really well. Everything's pretty good with it. She needs a bit of running in. She keeps dying and idle now and again, so I think it just needs a good run. Yeah, shifting works perfectly. All the gears are great. She's got loads of compression, so she's got a lot of oomph. You gotta be careful. In fact, if you put the revs up too high, then click it, the clutch in, it'll do a proper wheelie on you. Neil lost control of it back there doing that, just popped it too soon, whoop, up it went. But no, it's in bloody good shape. Very happy. Doesn't like starting now and again. Well, it was going great. Ah, the engine stops off. That'll do it. Now I've probably flooded it, so now I've flooded it, I'll let it sit for a little bit. Actually, now's a good time to see if the pull start works. I'm supposed to use left hand or right hand here. Maybe left. Yeah, I don't know. Well, I'll have a break. You're being mean, I won't want to start. I don't know why. Okay, so this is exactly why I have this bike, for this type of thing. Gully washout on the trackway. Water comes streaming down here, just basically dumps all the leaves and all the twigs and that matter and creates a massive step in the track. So, this guy should be perfect for it. See how it goes, eh? It's not a massive thing, it's not a dirt jump. I'm not doing that. It's an old bike designed for going up trails, and this is exactly what I want it to do. So, not too flash, but we'll see what happens. Not a problem. I know, so there we go. Exactly what I wanted to do. It's usable, it's not pristine showroom stuff, so I don't feel bad if I get it dirty or scuffed. And it works great. Goal achieved. The reason I'm doing this now in front of the van here is because that's project number 2. I want to get this up and running so I can use it for my work and for family. Onto bigger, whiter, mouldier things. See you in project 2. Rather, future me here, just love to give a quick shout out to some deserving people. Nick, Jane, Phil, you guys know who you are. Thank you so much for your kind words of support, really appreciate it. And thank you everyone who watched my first project, the Honda farm bike restoration. Really helps, so thanks. Bye.